Unleash your style. Flexfit men's athletic baseball fitted cap review a must-have feature. And this product have 6 panel and contain a mid-profile wool-like texture that provides the perfect combination of durability and comfort, with a rounded athletic shape and stretch band to fit all sizes. This FlexFit woolly combed twill cap and other FlexFit blank hats from our store are ideal for all your team sports need. A fused hard buckram sewn into the front of the crown provides excellent structure, while a silver under a visor provides an additional dose of style. Choose from their one of their versatile colors to ensure your team rocks these flex fit blanks hats with impeccable style and fitness, and made in Vietnam and Bangladesh. If you want to get to know more about this product, you're gonna find it in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.